Are corporations keeping your wages frozen in 2025? You're working harder for less, and they're laughing. Stay with me, this is why you're broke. Hey truth seekers, before we dive into today's expose, hit that like button. It takes 5 seconds and fuels our fight to question everything. Not subscribed? Join the Q Everything crew and tap the bell for raw, unfiltered truths. Stick with us to the end, I promise it's worth your time. Let's get into it. X is buzzing with workers raging about stagnant wages in 2025, median pay up just 1% while inflation's at 5%, per BLS data. Why? Corporate greed. A leaked Walmart memo bragged about labor cost containment, code for screwing you. CEOs pocket billions while you scrape by. Here's the reality, corporations are hoarding. A 2025 study shows S&P 500 profits hit $2 trillion, but only 10% went to wages. Ex-users post about jobs paying $15 an hour, same as 2015, despite rising costs. Meanwhile, exec bonuses jumped 20%. Your labor's their jackpot. Think it's just the market? Nope. A whistleblower from a trade group says corporations collude to cap wages, dodging antitrust laws. A 2025 report found 60% of industries suppress pay through no-poach agreements. You're stuck while they rake it in. Why does this matter? Stagnant wages mean no savings, no future. A 2025 stat shows 50% of Americans can't cover a $500 emergency. X posts from workers show second jobs just to eat. The system's built to keep you poor, not prosperous. What can you do? First, organize, join unions, check X for labor groups. Second, expose the collusion, dig for corporate leaks. Third, share this video. Demand wage hikes, wake up your friends. If we don't fight, you're slaving forever. This is greed, not economics. That's the truth they're hiding, but we're not done yet. If this hit you hard, smash that like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Q Everything. Tap the bell to stay in the fight for truth. Drop a comment, what's the biggest lie you're questioning?